guys. I'm just kidding. I was so busy today, really. Our life here. Always busy. I rearranged all my flowers, guys. Even if some they are not, even if some they are not, did not survive, then I just throw the dead one, then the one that survived I gathered. So I just rearranged because I have a lot of empty pots here that my plants dead. Then that is not nice to look at, very untidy to look at. So I was pulling the dead one, then rearrange, and you should look at here the table, the bench rather. It's so messy. Here it is, guys. So these are the one that they are the one that who survived from the hat. So I replanted this one to the big pots. Very nice hanging plant. See, light this light pink, and this one is different one. These are the one that I'm going to hang and rearrange here to my trellis, just like this. I have not many. I have few of young ones here. I planted there to the small pots. There are some here that I hung already, and here. So I know where to start here. I want to rearrange here everything here because it's so mess. The black one that you saw here, and this was from our pan here next to the house. Only last couple days he clean up the inside the pan. Then this is the dirt one took from inside there. So I need to rearrange here, guys. I already planted some seedlings, and now it's time for me to arrange my little garden here. On this one, there still have space there. I wanna move that, so I've got a little big space here. So there is one there hanging, and another one here. You could not see it properly because the sun is facing it. And here, so it's gonna be an interesting one. You should see my desert rose, guys. White one, very nice. So I'll be back. I need to plant this one. So it's almost 4 o'clock here. Philip the 3 guys, yourself how the rice hay, and then he said that it's gonna be, looks like the howl today, almost 10 howl. God, that's a lot of hay. And see you guys later. I'll be back. Okay, here is my Taiwan, guys. Oh, I wanna use that one because I need to put a tie here around, because this is cannot be hung here because it's almost rot. So what I'm gonna do here is I want to where is the end here? Here. I wanna put around the a wire. So here guys, I need to hang this one now to the trellis. Let's go. We wanna hang this one here. You should see guys, it works. Wow, thanks. I'm learning how to survive. Just so funny. Okay, the next one. I need to look for a more hanging because this is so heavy. I need to put a light. I don't want to use this one. This is good for some plants. Oh, this is removable. There. Oh yes, I found guys. This one. This is the one that I'm going to use for this plant. So this is nice because there is for water here. Stock water. Nice. So I am not sure how I'm gonna do this one here because this one is soft. I don't know. I'll be back guys. Wow, it is success guys. See what I did? Here there is a hole. Here. Then here too. Then I stick the wire here. Then roll it over here. Then this side. See that? So, this is salvaging guys. I think Philip is here now. Yeah, the guys is here. Let's go and hang this one. Okay. Now this corner I'm going to hang that plants. So I'll be back. Finally, success. I wanna get some my flies here. I put support here guys, so it won't give. So if one only, it is he's hanging here, then you know this one, this is almost collapse. So I put a support here so it will stay. So success. Very nice. Ouch. Okay, then make it, and I need to water that, so this is going to be nicer. I want to water it now. There is my water. There. More. Okay. And the other one. Okay. Very good. Yes, I wanna water more. Good. I need to water the other one, guys. There we go. Yeah. So here you can have water too. This one. That's it. And here. Maybe I'm going to put a wire here. So hanging. Yes, here is my tie. I need to tie this one to support because it is loose. There, like that. So, bye for now, guys. I guess this is good for today. My day is a busy day again. I don't wanna overdo. I need to sit down. My feet is so sore. I just love the pechay here. My seedlings here. Wow, pretty looking good. So tomorrow I'm going to replant my tomatoes. I wanna set it here, but I wanna plant that one to the pots here all the way to the corner. That's my job tomorrow. So see you later, guys. Thank you so much for your time. Please don't forget to like and comment, and also subscribe. God bless you all. Bye for now.